The My Team section allows users to view and manage their team members effectively. In the Active tab, users can see a list of all existing team members who currently have access to the system. This includes their names, email addresses, roles, and verification statuses. The Active tab is a central place to monitor the team's current structure. To invite new team members, the user can click the Invite button. When sending an invitation, the user specifies the email address and assigns an initial role. Once the invitation is sent, it appears in the Invited tab, where users can track all pending invitations. If an invitation link is lost or expires, it's valid for 2 days, it can be resent directly from this tab. Alternatively, invitations can be also cancelled if they are no longer needed. Returning to the Active tab, user can manage existing team members' roles. Roles can be updated at any time to align with the team needs. The first invited user from a customer account is automatically assigned the admin role, while subsequent members can be assigned as account or viewer. If access needs to be revoked for any team members, user can click the Suspend button and confirm action. This action immediately disables their access to the system, and the member is moved to the Suspended tab. From there, access can be restored at any time by clicking the Restore button. So this section provides a complete and user-friendly way to manage team members, send and track invitations, and ensure proper access and permissions are maintained for everyone in the system.